Good morning, students. Today's topic in the topic of fractions in the subject of the whole number is dividing a proper fraction by a whole number. Proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is lesser than the denominator. That is a proper fraction. So, a proper fraction is going to be multiplied with a whole number. Read carefully because these are the topics of the paper number 1 mathematics. In maths 1 paper, calculator is not allowed, so you must have enough techniques to handle the question manually and mentally. Calculator will not be allowed. So read carefully. Question is, find the value of 3 by 4 divided by 5. So here is the question. The technique in this kind of the question is convert this division sign into multiply and take the reciprocal that is given after the division sign. So here is 5. So we will put 1 by 5. We have to take the reciprocal, the value which is given after the division sign. So there are two steps. First, convert division sign into multiply, and they take the reciprocal of the second value. So 1 by 5. So this is the stage now. At this stage, we will cancel the values as maximum as possible. But if you look at the values, these cannot be cancelled. So now numerator will be multiplied by the numerator and denominator by denominator. So 3 ones are 3 and 4 fives are 20. So this is the answer. Here is another example. Question is 4 by 7 divided by 2. So this is the question. So the steps are same. That is, put the first fraction as it is. This division sign will be converted into multiply and take the reciprocal of the value after the division sign. So here is 2. So we will write 1 by 2 in place of the 2 because we have to take the reciprocal. So this is the stage now. Now at this stage we will cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look now, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So this is the maximum cancellation that can be done. So now multiply the numerator with the numerator, that is 2 ones are 2, and denominator by denominator. So 7 ones are 7. So this is the answer. Here are some more questions. A piece of the string of the length 8 by 9 meter is cut into 6 equal pieces. Find the length of each piece of the string. So the technique that will be used in this question is, this is the full length that is going to be cut into 6 equal pieces. So each length will be 8 by 9 divided by 6. So look now, 8 by 9 divided by 6. This will be the length of each string. So at this stage, you will convert this division sign into multiply, and the value after the division sign will be converted into reciprocal. So we have to take the reciprocal of the value after the division sign. So 1 by 6. At this stage, you will cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look now, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So this is the maximum cancellation that can be done at this stage. Now the next stage will be multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator. So 4 ones are 4 and 9 3s are 27. So this is a proper fraction. This cannot be solved further. So this is the answer. Here is another example. This statement is, Janice poured 4 by 5 liters of the water equally into 8 cups. Find the volume of the water in each cup. So again, look, we are given some volume of the water that is going to be divided into 8 equal cups. So again, the volume of each cup will be 4 by 5 divided by 8. So this is the volume of each cup. So at this stage, we will convert division sign into multiply and take the reciprocal of the value after the division sign. So here is 8. So we will put 1 by 8 in place of this one. So again, the steps are convert this division sign into multiply and take the reciprocal of the value which is given after the division sign. So this is the stage now. At this stage, you will be cancel the values as maximum as possible. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. This is the maximum cancellation that can be done. So after this stage, you will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 ones are 1 and 5 twos are 10. So this is the answer of the volume of the water in each cup. So in these kind of questions, small techniques are used. So to handle the paper very conveniently in the exams, you must have enough techniques. So this is the original thing. These papers seems to be very easy, but to get A grade is really tough. Don't you even think why don't all the students get A grades in these kind of exams? Because they don't have enough techniques. Questions seems to be easy, but difficult to solve. So get the techniques as maximum as possible. This is the thing. Here is another question. A shopkeeper packed 3 by 5 kg of the anchovies equally into 12 packets. Find the total mass of the 5 such packets. So here is another small technique. Total mass is given, which is going to be packed into 12 packets. And the mass of the 5 packets is the requirement. So first we will find the mass of one packet. So look now, this total mass is going to be packed into 12. So 3 by 5 divided by 12. Now this division sign will be converted into multiply and the value after the division sign will be taken as the reciprocal. So 12 will be written as 1 by 12. At this stage, you will cancel the values as maximum as possible. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. So this is the maximum cancellation that can be done. Now multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 ones are 1 and 5 fours are 20. So this is the mass of one packet. Now the requirement is find the total mass of 5 such packets. So now 5 multiplied by the mass of one packet will give us the final answer. So look now, 5 multiplied by 1 by 20. So at this stage, again, we will cancel the values as maximum as possible. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. So 1 by 4 kg is the mass of 5 such packets. Here is another question. So some small techniques will be used in this question as well. So be ready, be careful, be attentive. The statement of the question is the perimeter of the square is 2 by 3 meters. Perimeter of the square is given. That is equal to 4L. And requirement is find the length of the side of the square. So it means if perimeter is given, that is equal to 4L, and the length of one side is the requirement. So we will divide the perimeter divided by 4. So look now, length of each side will be equal to 2 by 3 divided by 4. This is the technique. Okay, rest of the question is same. Now convert this division sign into multiply and take the reciprocal of the value after the division sign. So 4 will be 1 by 4 now. At this stage, cancel the values as maximum as possible. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 ones are 1 and 3 twos are 6. So this is the length of each side. That is the answer of first part. In second part, find the area of the square is the requirement. So another technique will be used. The formula for the area of the square formula is L multiplied by L. So that is actually L square, where L is the length of one side of the square. So here is the length of one side of the square. So the area of the square will be equal to L into L. So 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So cancel the values is as maximum as possible. So no cancellation is possible. So multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 ones are 1 and 6 6 are 36. So this is the area of the square.